Hey guys, we're gonna get ingredients for the pizza, and yeah, so let's go. All right guys, you wanna see my awesome car? Here it is. It looks so cool. I know, I'm so rich. All right guys, I have a full list of ingredients that we need to get for this nice pizza, all right? And yeah, also I have a little secret. When we go to Target, I always like to look at the Rubik's Cubes, you know? All right, got the list of ingredients, let's go. Oh man, I love Target. Like, look at all these nice clothes. Ooh, pineapple liquor. Okay, let me get the item on the list. All right, pepperoni. Ooh, I love bacon. All right, where are the tomatoes? Ooh, beefsteak tomatoes. I'll get those. All right, time for the cheese.
No, so now we just need tomato sauce and olives.
Ooh. Okay, guys, beans are not on the list, but I'm gonna get them anyway.
Okay.
All right, sliced olive. Let's see.
Yes.
Here we go, right here. Okay, pizza sauce. Ooh, this looks like a good one.
Now we
Oh my gosh. Oh, so rich and creamy. All right, I think we're ready to check out now.